Hi everyone, the human fall. This time we'll share about the fallen nature. Yes, let's see. Eve acquired the fallen archangel's nature related to his transgressions against God through their sexual relationships. Yes. Adam, in turn, acquired the same inclinations. When Eve, assuming the role of the archangel, bound him through their sexual relationships. Yes, wow. Archangel Lucifer. These proclivities, i.e., strong evil predispositions, have become the root cause of the fallen inclination in all people. Yes. Wow. Let us investigate now these proclivities, the primary characteristics of our fallen nature. Yes. The primary characteristics of the fallen nature can be divided broadly into 4 types. The first is failing to take a God's standpoint. Yes. The fundamental motivation which caused these primary fallen characteristics lay in the envy the archangel felt toward Adam, the beloved of God. Yes, as we know already. The principal cause of the archangel's fall was his failure to love Adam with the same heart and perspective as God. Yes. Instead, Lucifer felt jealous of Adam. Envy, jealousy, resentment, yes. This led him to tempt Eve. Yes. Yeah, Lucifer and Archangel. Yeah, and Lucifer angelic realm. The second trait of the fallen nature is leaving one's proper position. Yes. Humanity, subject partner and object partner. The angel desired to enjoy the same position of love in the human world as he had in the angelic world. Yes. That is one other motivations. This unrighteous desire caused him to leave his position and fall. The third characteristic of the fallen nature is dominion. Yes, look at that. Pantheon, heavenly being God, Adam and Eve, angel. The angel was supposed to come under the dominion of human beings. Yes. Instead, the angel dominated Eve. Yes, wow. Yes, human fall starts at this point. Yes, wow. And Heavenly Parent, God lost his position. Instead of the Heavenly Parent, Satan occupied the position. Wow. Eve was supposed to come under the dominion, loving care of Adam. Yes, it is principle. Eve dominated him instead. Yes. The archangel spread his sin to Eve and Eve to Adam. Satan, Eve, Adam, and fallen nature, fallen trinity. The first characteristics of the fallen nature is multiplying the criminal act. The fundamental motivation which caused these primary fallen characteristics lay in the envy the archangel felt toward Adam. The first, failure to love with God's heavenly parents' view. Second, leaving one's proper position. Third, reversing the order of dominion. Fourth, multiplication of the criminal act. Yes, we shared about the fallen nature. Thank you so much.